book review for you guys today. This one's kind of hard to hold up because it's not very thick, but it's like heavy. Which applies to the content as well. This is The Universe in a Nutshell by Stephen Hawking. Alex recommended this for me to read for nonfiction November in 2017, I think it was, and I'm finally reading it. Sorry, dear. Yeah, this was for taking so long.
Oh.
This was really good. I give it 3.5 stars. It's, like I said about the physical weight of it, it's dense, but it's not very thick. It's relatively easy to understand. If you can understand sciencey stuff, you can understand reading this. However, it's the kind of book that I would have to read 4 or 5 times to thoroughly absorb everything in it. And while I'm interested in reading it, I'm not interested in reading it that many times. I'm not that interested in the subject. I'm just interested in the subject, you know? So that's why I give it 3.5 stars. But it is really good. It has a ton of illustrations to show, like, the theories and everything. I didn't get too in-depth with the illustrations. I just read it. But, yeah, I enjoyed it. If you're interested in any of the physics type stuff, if you're just interested in, like, the universe, if you're interested in time travel, I would recommend grabbing it. Just, it's the kind of book that you need to be able to pay attention to when you're reading it. And it was surprisingly funny. I know who Stephen Hawking was, of course. Pretty sure he's passed away at this point, right? Stephen Hawking?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's, I know who he was, but I don't really know much about him as a person, and, like, this book made me literally laugh out loud multiple times, and even fiction books don't do that very much, so, this is kind of obviously nonfiction. I couldn't wait for November, for nonfiction November to start, so, I've already begun. But yeah, this was really good. I enjoyed it more than I expected to. Although when you're already drowsy and you try to read it on your lunch break, it might knock you out. But it's not like a textbook. It's well written and like I said, it's quite funny. That's pretty much it. Have you guys read this? Do you want to? Questions, comments, opinions? Hey, sleepy husband, you're the one who recommended this. Do you have anything to add?
No.
You want to go back to sleep?
It's been many years since I've read that book. Sorry.
Isn't he cute? Okay, so that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe. Are you guys doing nonfiction November? If so, I would love to see your TBRs. So if you have a TBR video, a tweet, an Instagram, or you just want to type and tell me what books you're reading, let me know. Because I absolutely need to pick up more books from the library. Now, nonfiction November is definitely a weakness. And I've got way too many books out. So, but seriously, tell me your TBRs. I would love to know. I'm not really doing one. I'm not doing a TBR, but I'm definitely participating. I mean, those are the nonfiction books I have out from the library right now. Plus, I pulled a bunch off my bookshelf, including 2 that I borrowed from Mom to read for nonfiction November 2 years ago that I haven't read yet. Although one of those I might actually have to read because it's this sports biography, which is so my mother and so not me. But one of the topics is sports, so. Okay, I'm gonna quit rambling. Let me know what you guys thought of this book if you've read it. Otherwise, let me know your nonfiction November TBRs. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.